Hey guys, it's Zach Hammondtree here with Legendary Fishing, and we're going somewhere truly legendary. We're heading to the Trinity River to try and get some alligator gar. It'll probably be dark by the time we get there, or close to it. It's 19:15 right now, and we won't get there till almost 2100. So we're going to do as much filming as we can with the best light that we can, but we're going to see if we can't get some alligator gar. Stay tuned and check out what we get. All right guys, we're out here on the Trinity River. It's after 1 a.m. We've had a pretty rough evening. We got a couple of catfish, had a couple of fish break off. I've got a fish taking this right now. I'm about to set it. I barely got any room to move, so this may go sour. Here we go. Yep, I got him. Or right now I got him. I hope we don't get hung up in anything. I think we got a gar. They may not be very big, but I think we got one. I'm actually pulling him upstream. It's not a very big fish, but it is a fish. No, it's a catfish, but it's a nice size blue. All right. So, in case y'all didn't see that, the line broke right here at the bank, and this fish was just sitting there, so I had to gaff him to get him in. That's a nice blue. Now it's nothing huge, but it's a good fish. All right guys, so that obviously didn't go anything like I hoped. We only got the one fish on video, which I apologize for. The fish were hitting very slow. We only got 5 fish in. Had 2 big fish break off, 50-pound braid, so had several bites without the fish taking it, and had a few fish come off at the bank. Nothing very big came to the bank. The biggest fish which you saw me reel in was like 6.5-pound blue cat, which ate a really big bait. I don't know. So sorry for the short video, but I figured I'd upload something, let y'all know what went on. I'll upload the stills of the fish that we did catch, including my, monster Trinity River gar, that I got. So you guys like, subscribe, better videos will be coming, I promise you that. See you next time.